Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher, Miss Amara from Pakistan School Muscat, and I welcome you all in our mathematics class of grade 4. I hope, my dear students, you all are fine. Yes, that's great. So, dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, and that is perimeter of square and rectangle. And in this lesson, we shall learn that how we can calculate the perimeter of square and rectangle. Now, I think you all are thinking that what is the perimeter, because you people know about the square and rectangle. So don't be worried, we shall learn about the perimeter in this class. The objectives of our today's lesson are, upon completion of this lesson, we shall be able to define perimeter. We shall be able to list the formulas for finding perimeter of square and rectangle. And we shall be able to determine the perimeter of square and rectangle. So, I hope you all are ready to learn. So, let's start learning. What is perimeter? Dear students, the perimeter is the boundary of a closed shape. For example, if you have a room, like you are sitting in your classroom or in your bedroom, so the boundary of this room is called perimeter. Or you can say that the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of shape. Means if you take a round of your bedroom from outside of the room, the distance that you are covering is called perimeter. Here are some steps, or you can say the strategies to find the perimeter. We have different strategies that we can use to calculate the perimeter of square or rectangle. In the first strategy, we can add up all the sides, and as we know that if we have rectangle, we will be having 4 sides, and in the same way if we have the square, we will be having 4 sides. So when we add up all the sides, it means we are calculating the perimeter. The second strategy is doubling. So you are thinking that what does mean by doubling? This means that we can double the length and we can double the width, and then we can add both of these and we can get the perimeter, because you know that in the rectangle both lengths will be same and both widths will be same. And in the third strategy, you can just add 2 adjacent sides and then you can double it. And in the fourth strategy, to find the perimeter of square, this is very simple, because you can just take the length of one side and you can multiply it by 4, because for the square we have always 4 sides and the length for each side will always be equal. So if we multiply 4 by one length, we can get the perimeter of square. So dear students, let's use some examples to calculate the perimeter. Here we have a rectangle and you can see that the opposite lengths are equal and opposite widths are also equal. The length is 9 cm and width is 5 cm. So how we can find the perimeter of this rectangle? You can see here the length is 7 cm and the breadth is 3 cm. So as we know about the different strategies, So one of the strategy here we can use to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So here we are taking just length and breadth. We are adding both of these and then we can double it, means the third strategy we are adopting here. The length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. So as you know that they both are in brackets, so first we need to add and then we have to multiply it by 2, means we have to double it, and it will be 20 centimeter. My dear students, don't forget to write the measurement unit. If you have given in meters, you need to write in meter. If it is in centimeter, you need to write in centimeter. Here is one more example. With length as 5 centimeter and breadth as 4 centimeter. How we can calculate perimeter? Yes, I know my dear students can do it. You can add the length and breadth and then you can double it. You can adopt any of the strategies to calculate the perimeter. You will get the same answer. So here we are getting the perimeter as 18 centimeter for the given rectangle. So I hope my dear students now it is clear to all of you that how you can calculate the perimeter. Let's summarize our lesson. We had learned that to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we have to add the lengths of the 4 sides. If you have only the width and height, means the length, then you can easily find all 4 sides. And we had learned that we can multiply both the height and width by 2 and add the results. So now I know my dear students will do practice for different rectangles. And remember, you only fail when you stop trying. So you have to try. Thank you dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.